Meaning of empress.
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 Empress. Empress refers to a female monarch who rules over an empire, often with great power and authority. She is typically the wife or widow of an emperor and holds significant political and social influence in her own right. The term has historically been associated with influential female figures such as Wu Zetian of China, Cleopatra of Egypt, and Catherine the Great of Russia. As a symbol of power and leadership, the title of empress has been revered throughout history and continues to hold significant cultural and historical significance across the world today.